Hey everybody, today we're going to try Doritos Flaming Hot Nacho. Obviously that's a depiction of Flaming Hot Nacho right there on fire with the fancy Dorito logo. And on the back we have nutrition facts and some type of advertisement. It says nacho cheese gets lit. Let's go with the nutrition facts real quick. It says about 10 servings per container, serving size about 12 chips. Calories 150, total fat 8 grams, saturated fat 1 gram, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 190 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 17 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugars less than 1 gram, protein 2 grams. See here, and then the 4 traditional vitamins and minerals of vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Once again, Doritos Flamin' Hot Nacho. So let's go and open this bad boy up and see what we have. Here we go with that whiff test. Okay, it's not as hot as I thought it'd be, but it has just that strong scent of nacho. But looks are deceiving, and so aren't scents. Let's pull one out and see what we have. That's a bad one. That's not pretty for the camera. There we go. Look at that. That looks devastating. Here, let me bring it around here. That's the other side of it. That looks devastating. It really does. So we'll flip it around once again. And we'll give it a bite. Right now I can tell that it has the Flaming Hot coating on it. Wow, that's amazing. It's almost to the point where it's not flavorful in that sense, but just hot. There's another one. Look at that thing. It's amazing. As you can see the separation point. Whoa, look at that one. Well, that's deeply coated right there. Bring her in. And so what did I think about Doritos Flamin' Hot Nacho? Well, whew, I'm gonna have to get a water here real quick. They're good. They're definitely hot. Would I buy them again? That's a tough call. It really is. I probably would, but I'm not necessarily a glutton for punishment anymore. I'm definitely gonna finish this bag. So here, huh? Maybe I am a glutton for punishment, but I'm gonna give it a thumbs up just on the, oh there it is, look at that. On the basis of the flavor that's there and the extreme, not extreme, but it's more of a persistent mild heat. And with that, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.